Hey friends, if the Wi-Fi adapter is disabled or hidden in the device manager, then please watch this video. I'll tell you something, just restart your computer. In many cases, it will help. Right click, shut down or sign out and then restart. Now, search for device manager after rebooting and open the device manager. Okay. Now, here's the thing. If the Wi-Fi adapter is not showing here, like if there is no network adapter list here, or the Wi-Fi LAN card is not appearing, but you're connected to the Wi-Fi, it means that it does exist. So simply click on View and click on Show Hidden Devices. Maybe it might help. And after that, you need to make sure that the device is not disabled. Press the Windows key and the R key together to open the Run window. Type the command ncpa.cpl and hit enter to open the network connections window. Right click on the active network connection and make sure that it is enabled. If not, then enable it. Okay. Like, let me show you. If you right click on this, it shows disabled because it's already enabled. But if it was disabled, you'll get an option that it should be enabled. Next one is to enable, the next one is to run the network troubleshooter. Right click on the start button, select settings from the menu, and then go to the system tab on the list on the left hand side. Select troubleshoot in the right pane, select other troubleshooters, and then click on run corresponding to the network adapter troubleshooter. It will show whether the internet is connected or not and proceed further. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.